The path to financial empowerment. Unlocking your true wealth potential. Are you ready to take control of your financial future? Financial empowerment is about more than just making money. It's a journey towards unlocking your true wealth potential. It starts with understanding and managing your finances, tracking your income and expenses, creating a budget, and setting financial goals. Financial empowerment also means learning about investment opportunities and understanding the power of compound interest and diversification. It's about having open conversations with your loved ones about money and teaching your children about financial responsibility and the value of saving. Seeking guidance from financial professionals can also be a crucial step. They can help you navigate complex financial decisions and create a solid plan for your future. Financial empowerment is about celebrating your successes, whether big or small. It's about making informed choices that align with your values and goals. So, are you ready to embark on the path to financial empowerment? Take the first step today and unlock your true wealth potential. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please subscribe, like, and share our channel for more financial tips and guidance. Together, we can achieve financial empowerment.